para sa unang magdadala. So you can, I need the first one only.
Pregnant mommy.
Bibigyan ko kayo ng clue. Go to your mom. Go to your mom, tita, ate, lola, or yaya. Don't go to your dad, tito, kuya, or whatsoever. Sa kanila lang. Siguro naman, may mga idea na kayo kung ano papadala ko. Okay? So, definitely, sina daddy, hindi gumagamit nito. Outside ko iba. Okay? I need the first one to bring me a lipstick. Whoa! Okay. Okay, we got the first, first two. Which one is your lipstick now? Which one is the lipstick? Okay. And, this is your lipstick. Thank you.
Charge.
Next.
Yun na, yun.
Next. Alright. Next. This time. This way. Yan. Okay, wait lang. Alito ako. Tapos maganda. Ayan, okay. Okay, listen, everybody. Next time, I'll give you... Medyo marami yung premyo natin. I'll give you 3 prizes. Okay, meron kayo 3 premyo. But this time, kailangan yung una lang talaga. First one only. Ito actually, these are medyo mahirap
Bluetooth ba to?
Madali lang to.
Bluetooth to?
Ang kailangan lang, magpapaalam
Paano
lang.
masasaktakan dito yung
Okay?
meron kang memory card?
Well, listen, I'll give you 3 prizes para sa unang magdadala. This time, first one only. Madali lang to. Ang kailangan lang, magpaalam kayo. Listen, I need the first one